What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So if you guys seen the last Skyline video, you know that the coil packs are bad. So while those are in order, we have a couple of new things that we want to add to the exterior. Now shout out to my boy Keanu from AP Imports. While we're in Japan, we got a couple of spoilers for the Skyline. So we're gonna go ahead and open them up right now. What, should we start off with the trunk wing?
Yeah.
So we got a trunk wing and we got a roof wing. Now, these are like, the roof wing is normally mandatory for all of our cars. So you know we had to get one for the Skyline. This little trunk wing, I think adds a nice little touch to the car. So we're gonna go ahead and test fit it. So this is an Origin Lab.
Oh, is it brand new?
Yeah, so this is an Origin Lab trunk wing for the Skyline sedan. Brand new. Picked up from Origin in person by Keanu.
That's so cool.
Yeah, so it's like a little trunk lid.
Perfect.
Sick, yeah. It's like nothing too aggressive, but it adds like a nice flavor to the car.
The fitment? How's the fitment on that side?
It's like pretty good.
Pretty good on this side too.
Yeah. So it does cover the rear light.
Oh really?
Yeah, so that's the only thing that sucks. I mean, we could cut it out and put like a thing, but I'm just gonna leave it because I don't really want to do too much work to it, to be honest. So we got this one here. Now let's open up the roof spoiler. Yeah, so these are both brand new, straight from Origin.
Oh.
Keanu went ahead and picked these up for us, so but we're gonna be sick. I just freaking scratched the heck out of it. Oh man.
It's okay, at least it's the bottom.
I think it's the bottom, yeah? Yes.
Oh, this fitment?
Yeah, it fits perfect.
These edges are really good.
Yo, on this roof spoiler, so I don't know if any of you guys ever got like an aftermarket like replica roof wing. The bowl of the part itself never ever matches up. Like it's always it's always like too straight, yeah? Like the window never sits flat. Like this bugger lays so flat.
Oh.
Yeah, this is gonna be sick. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll hold it.
Okay, I know what you want me to do.
I'll let you look at how sick it's gonna look from that side. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Yeah,
Yeah, it does.
It'll look way better painted though, yeah, I'll tell you not. Or does it look good black? It looks good black too.
It looked the roof one looks good black. I don't know if that one would look black good.
Do you think we should put this on black, or do you think we should paint it?
I would paint it. I would paint it and then leave the bottom black.
Yeah, I want to leave the bottom black. That's on the agenda today. One more thing. So this car, the paint code is KR4. It's the OEM color. So instead of buying like a really big gallon or a pint of this, I went ahead and ordered the aerosol touch-up. I never did this before, but I figure why not try it out, because the car really doesn't need to be resprayed, so I didn't need to buy a whole bunch of paint anyway, and it's kind of a hassle to like get the gun and stuff all set up and run the compressor just to paint these little parts. So today we're going to be paint matching the spoilers with the touch-up can, and we're going to see how that works out. I've never done this before, like I said, so we're going to see how it turns out.
Hopefully it works out. That was kind of expensive for that little can, huh?
Yeah, I think this can I paid like $30 with shipping, of course. So, I mean, it's not too bad, but considering you could have bought like a pint of this for about 50, a little over 50 bucks, this did end up being a little bit expensive. So, the game plan is we're gonna paint this, leave this underside black.
Yeah.
And should be cherry.
Oh, it's a good black, so you don't even have to like repaint it after.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna sand this down. I don't know if I'm gonna see, the crappy thing is we had primer, but I freaking broke the can. We have a brand spanking new filler primer right here. but the cap was really hard to take off, and I guess I'm too strong. I broke. In the course of me pulling the cap off, I broke the tip off the can, and this is the one that has the tip on the inside, and it's not just the cap. So I broke it, and it's a brand new can of primer, which sucks. So, okay, I think Christine saved the day. Can I spray though? Spray on the inside of the door.
Oh,
Ah!
no, it doesn't spray.
Damn it.
Why?
I don't know if it's clogged. All right, so it looks like we're either gonna have to go to the store or set up the gun anyway, which friggin' sucks.
Because then we should have just bought the pint.
I could have just bought the pint. I mean, it's not so bad. I did want to try these spray cans. I've never tried the spray cans before, so we're gonna go ahead and try that out for sure. I mean, we have to, but that's kind of a bummer. All right, I don't know if she can save the can, but we're gonna see right now. But obviously you guys will see in the next clip. So Christine's got the Scotch-Brite pad and she's just going ahead and scuff this up. So we looked over the spoilers. That one's ready for paint. This one over here though, it does have like a minor imperfection, which I kind of want to fix before we paint it. So this one ain't ready to paint yet. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this back and see how deep this crack goes. Hopefully we can fix it, something minor. But Christine's got this one almost ready to go. So we're just gonna go ahead and prime this thing up, and then we gotta let it dry so we can go ahead and put some base coat on there. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and fix the roof spoiler off camera. But in the meantime, Christine's gonna finish up scuffing this one and then paint it. I mean, I don't know if we're gonna paint them together, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna work on one for now. So real quick, we're gonna get ready to primer this thing. So Christine's just gonna spray some window cleaner and wipe the whole panel down, get off any dust, get off any grease that has probably gotten on there. We ended up draining the cans into this sprayer. If you guys are OG, you guys know that we've used this little spray can sprayer for other touch-ups. So we just put the primer from the can into this little can, and that's how we're gonna get our primer on the wing. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and lay some primer on there, and then base coat. We don't really want to get this camera all dirty, so I don't know if we're gonna show spraying this, but just know that the primer was from in here, and it's going on there.
I know. I think you can stop recording.
Okay guys, so I got the crack all sanded down and bonded up, so it's nice and flat now. So now we're gonna go ahead and spray this with primer. I'm gonna go ahead and primer the whole thing, but later I'm gonna go ahead and paint the underside black that's gonna be against the window, so that way it gives it like a more of a two-tone look. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and primer this right now. Okay guys, so got the spoilers all fixed up, nice and primered. It actually looks really good. So we've just been shaking up the can for a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the first coat of base coats. I think I'm gonna do maybe 2, depending on how this thing covers. We got the car covered, as you can see. Hopefully this turns out good. Oh damn! They got some pressure in there. Oh yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be covered.
Wow, that's a really good spray on it.
So I believe this is metallics in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a light coat.
Oh, professional.
That's the first coat. Let it sit for a bit. It is a little bit chilly out today, so I'll give it a good maybe 10 minutes or so before we lay the next coat. So the base coat is now laid on it and it looks really good. I'm hoping that the color matches. I'm not too worried about it because we will be changing the color of the car eventually. But in the meantime, this will be close enough. So far, so good. So we're gonna go ahead and let this cure for a little bit, and then we're gonna throw the clear coat on there and pretty much just let it sit.
Okay guys, it's time to put the clear, so I'm gonna put the clear now. Okay, I'm gonna do like another 2 more coats or so, and then we're gonna call it a day. I think that's enough filming. You don't want to watch me do multiple coats of clear, so we'll check back in once this is done.
So the spoilers are all cleared up right now, and it looks really good. I'm super stoked on how it turned out. We're gonna go ahead and let this pretty much sit overnight. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, and then we'll check back tomorrow when we go ahead and put this on the car. So it's the next day. We let it cure overnight. It is a little bit chilly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat up the trunk a little bit before we go ahead and install the spoiler, just so that way the tape sticks a lot better. Here it is.
How's the color?
Well, not bad to be
Oh,
honest.
yeah.
It's like
Pretty spot on.
like 85% the color, which is not bad. I do notice that there's like a tinge of like maybe green or something in this versus this. At least from this angle.
Yeah.
Like a very small hint of green, which one this does not have. But it's okay. So this should be easy to line up because the edges line up with the edge of the trunk.
Yeah, it lines up really good.
Yeah. So here it goes. I'm gonna take off.
Is that enough teeth?
Yeah. This is always the most exciting part, is like the little subtle changes that you do to the car really does the most.
Yeah.
Damn, this booger. Oh, that booger is strong. Okay.
Do you want me to look at one side?
Pop the trunk, please. Pop the trunk. Yeah.
Oh, it has the same lever.
It like needs to come over something. Just like a hair.
Which way?
Towards your side.
Oh, there. That looks like it's good. Is it good?
Yeah, that's good right there. Okay. Make sure it's pushed all the way up against there. And now we're going down.
It's on there?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, the color is actually not bad. Like, it matches.
It does.
The color matches a lot better than I thought it was going to. Wipe it down. Make it nice and easy to stick. Yeah, I like that.
It does look
It
really
doesn't
good.
look too bad with the light cover.
Yeah, no, I thought I didn't even realize it had a third brake light at the top. It looks good. That's how you get maximum stuckness.
Yep. This baby ain't going anywhere. Should be cherry. Heck yeah. That looks freaking sick.
It does, it looks really good.
I wanted to turn the lights on because I wanted to see if like the red would come down here.
Oh.
You know?
Oh yeah.
But it looks good. So I think I'm gonna add the third brake light LED like we did to your car up here.
Oh
on the
yeah.
inside.
Mhm.
Yeah. Heck yeah, that looks freaking good. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. This car, it just needs like a better wheel setup for a better stance, and then it'll be cherry.
Yeah.
Yeah, be the perfect car to just cruising. Got AC, got heat, I have sounds in here. I'm super stoked. The color is pretty. I thought it was gonna be like way off, or like I was hoping that it wouldn't be way off.
Yeah.
And it's like,
It looked darker earlier, but it looked like it probably dried a little bit lighter.
yeah, it looked darker when we were painting it, yeah.
Yeah.
But like it's pretty there. It's pretty there on the color.
Yeah.
I'd say. So we're still waiting on the coil pack to come in, so I can put this thing back together. It's a hot mess in this engine bay right now, just to change out the coil packs, but it's honestly not that bad. I'm super stoked to have this car running right again, getting this thing registered, and continuing on with the project. It's not going to be something insane like I said in the previous videos, but it is going to be a little fun car. I think that I want to drift this thing occasionally, so I am thinking about putting S13 suspension in this car. I'm still debating. It'll take a good amount of work to get it to be S13 suspension, but we do have a whole nother chassis outside that we can rob subframes and knuckles and stuff off of if we do need it. I'm also thinking about just maybe keeping it our chassis suspension and just buying a knuckle, you know, and throwing it on there. Be a lot cheaper, a lot quicker. I do want to bag this thing. As you know, we bag all of our cars, so I'm probably gonna bag this thing, especially if I'm gonna like street drive it on the regular. Anyway, there's a lot of things to think about, but in the meantime, we're gonna focus on getting this car right, running right, and registering it, and then we'll go from there. But in the meantime, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I appreciate you guys from the bottom of our heart. Thank you guys so much for supporting what we got here going on the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace out and stay good.